Yeticon vlog 2, but I didn't make the first one yet.
Yeticon 2, vlog 1? Sure. What's up? What's up? Is this still Avengers?
Yeah, I think there's 2.
Okay. Your boy Ultron.
I hated Ultron in this movie.
He's so dog shit, me too. Of all the changes that the MCU made to establish characters, Ultron's one of the ones that hurts me the most.
Yeah. Especially like because they did at a point where there's Hank Pym didn't exist.
Yeah.
Oh, I thought I'd be able to do it.
What are you trying to do?
My fingers are so weak.
It's hard to do with that angle.
Okay.
Oh, hey.
Every time I think of you, I know we have to meet. I just can't get enough. I just can't.
Real. Last vlog clip.
Yo, we're almost heading out.
Almost heading out.
It's been a fun week.
So this vlog is ending up really, really short because a lot of the clips were just unusable or the audio just was terrible for those specific clips. So it ended up being around 5 minutes and I'm really sorry about that. So once again, I'm sorry for how small this vlog is. I guess you can just call it a mini vlog, but if you want to see some other vlogs, you can click the info card up there and I'll take you to all the other vlogs that I've done in the past. Also, if you wanted to keep watching but you weren't really feeling the vlogs, there's 2 other videos I posted today. All you need to do is scroll down a little bit, click on my channel, and there should be 3 new videos right there. This one you're watching right now, and 2 others. One of them is a build video, and the other one's a fitness one. And if you did come from Instagram, go ahead down in the comments and type which one of my cosplays is your favorite, and something that you'd like to learn about it. And even if you didn't, go ahead and do that too. Alright, see ya. Bye.